Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to use Trello for game development, and be sure to watch to the end of the video so that you see all the step-by-step actions that you need to take. So first you're going to go to Trello.com and it'll load your dashboard with all your boards that you have in your workspaces, and we're going to go up to the very top where it says Create. We're going to click that button and it'll bring down a menu, and we're going to start with a template. We click on that. And at the very bottom of that, you can explore more templates. We're going to click there. And this will bring you a list of templates that you can browse through, but we're going to search for game development. And right here, the second one is game development. It's a template you can use. And I went ahead and used it using the use template button. And I named it game development board. And then I hit create. Now here you have the new board. You have milestones, bugs, brainstorming, ideas, and roadmaps. And essentially this is a workflow for your process of creating a game. You can also create a new list, like to do per se, and you can move cards through the different lists like this, moving it from bugs to do. But we're going to go ahead and move that back and delete or archive the list I just created. And from here you can set up all of your to-dos and tasks that you need to get done. And you'll see that the cards have different colors on them. And these are actually labels that categorize them into different categories. So if you go up to the three buttons on the top right hand of the corner, you can go to labels and click that, and you can create a new label if you want. We're going to create a new one, and it's going to be called Tasks Overdue. And it's going to be that light blue color. You can close out of there. And if you click on a card and bring it up, you can actually go to the label button and then assign it to the new label, Tasks Overdue. And so this bug would be overdue and past its due date. And so there you have it. This is sort of the workflow for game development. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.